In a readout of the call shared by the State Department, the two top diplomats are said to have emphasized the importance of continued partnership between the United States, the African Union, South Africa, and other impacted nations in Africa to help vaccinate populations and combat impacts of COVID-19. The Secretary of State expressed appreciation for the long-standing public health cooperation between the two countries, while praising the quick response by South Africa for the quick identification and transparency regarding the Omicron variant. The call comes in the context of new controversial travel restrictions imposed by President Joe Biden on travelers from several Southern African countries, measures that will go into full effect on Monday, despite protests from the Department of International Relations and Cooperation. Sherwin Bryce-Pease, SABC News, New York.
Britain, Germany and Italy have also detected cases of the new Omicron coronavirus variant. The discovery of the variant has sparked global concern, a wave of travel restrictions and a sell-off on financial markets as investors worried that Omicron could stall a global recovery from the nearly 2-year pandemic. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has meanwhile announced new measures to try to slow the spread of the new variant.
We need to take targeted and proportionate measures now as a precaution while we find out more. And first, we need to slow down the seeding of this variant in our country. We need to buy time for our scientists to understand exactly what we're dealing with, and for us to get more people vaccinated and, above all, to get more people boosted, as well as to help our NHS prepare in what is already a challenging winter.
Well, the governor of New York State in the United States has declared a state of emergency ahead of the potential arrival of Omicron in the country. The declaration, which goes into effect on December the 3rd, allows the state to better position itself for a possible wave of new infections, including by increasing hospital capacity. Sherwin Bryce-Pease reports.
Governor Kathy Hochul issued her emergency declaration citing increasing infection rates and hospitalizations. It also allows the state's health department to limit non-essential and non-urgent procedures while increasing hospital capacity. Her statement also points to the state experiencing COVID-19 transmission rates not seen since April 2020. The move comes after US President Joe Biden issued a new proclamation restricting travel from several southern African countries, including South Africa, after the emergence of a new variant in the region. The restrictions apply to non-citizens of the US who have been physically present in 8 southern African countries during a 14-day period preceding their attempted entry into the US. Sherwin Bryce-Pease, SABC News, New York.